120, let's stop there for a second. What are multiples of 45? 45, 90, we'll look at that. So the least common multiple of these two is 90. So it's not this answer, it's K. K is the right answer. Remember that stuff? Okay. How do you do 13? It's a simple plug and chug problem, but order of operations is very, very important. How do you do this one? X to the 5th power. So you're going to take 2 and multiply this 5 times, and then multiply that number by -3. Then you're going to add 2 times -3 multiplied 5 times. If you do not type this in your calculator correctly and do it right, you have the right answer. What answer do you get? Anybody? D. D works. Okay. Next one. This one I had to think for a second. How many units long is one side of a square? Okay, so what do you know about a square?
All sides.
4 sides, and they're all the same. So if the perimeter is 20 plus 8j, what do each of these sides have to be? You're going to take these and divide them each by 4. So you get 5 plus 2j, which is k. Right? 15. What would k have to be so it factors to be this? It'd be 13. You take half of this and square it. Now, what if they just put x squared minus 26x, and they wrote plus k? What would this be? What if they gave that problem? And they did, obviously, x minus k. What if they did, what would k be? It's not one of your answers here, but what would it be here?
Oh.
You guys remember how to do this? You take half of this and square it.
226.
So k,
Isn't that 226?
huh?
Are we doing 13 squared?
What's 13 squared?
169.
169.
Oh, 13 squared.
Okay. Okay. What if it was a plus? The same thing. K would be 13. I'm sorry, 160. K would be 169. This would have, whatever this sign is, this will be. These two are the same. So if they gave you that one, trying to give you different scenarios, K would have to be 13. This 13 squared, you take half of this number and you square it. And that's how you make that a perfect square round. Okay, Helena bought her daughter a game system. She bought one game system. The game system, you're going to tally up how much she spent. The game system normally is $180, but it's 10% off. So how much did she spend? Instead of thinking of it as 10% off, what did she pay for the game system? The game system was $180. What did she pay for it? 90%. Very good. So you do that. 180 times 0.90. You get $162. We're in assuming no sales tax. And then she bought 2 games that are normally $40, but they were 20% off. So what does she pay for those games? She paid 80%. So 80 times 0.80, she paid $64 for the 2 games. Add these up. 226. And the last question. Which of the following expressions gives the slope of the line containing the points? This is a very easy question for people to get mixed up on because they forget the formula for slope.
They didn't do They didn't do
what do? How do you find the slope? You take your two y values and you subtract them over your two x values, 5 minus 2. So what is the correct answer? You could have 9 plus 12 over 5 plus 3, but they use the subtraction, and it is C. That is the correct one. Now that's a very easy question, you guys, but something you may have forgotten because you're so beyond how to find the slope of 2 points. There's so much better. Okay, your homework from yesterday, how did it go? Was it fun? What questions can I answer for you? How do you do 35? What would you like me to do?